Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys so many different cute looks that I'm going to create out of a bunch of pieces that I thrifted. A lot of them are Levi's jeans like these that I'm actually going to end up turning into shorts probably. So I'm going to show you guys how I create all of these looks and what you can do with items that you find for cheap. One of the things that I loved about thrifting is that they are actually super cheap. Things like Levi's, you know, are normally like $100 at the store, but you can actually create your own by thrifting them, and they only cost like $4. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe. I am so excited to show you guys all of the looks. Enjoy. This is my first piece, and they are actually Levi's jeans, which I love them. I love how they're a little bit loose on the thighs, because for me, who I have a little bit of thicker thighs, it's super hard to find jeans that are a little bit loose here. So I'm gonna cut them into shorts, and they are a little bit big, but with a belt, they will be fixed super easy. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do with these and how I transform them. So, as you know, we are going to cut these jeans. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of fold them. You're gonna line, you always wanna line this piece. So make sure everything is nice and straight. We're gonna lay them out. So I actually have some jean shorts that I cut already that I love the length of them. So I am just going to use these as a guide. If you don't have shorts that you already cut that you like the length, I would just suggest looking in the mirror and kind of measuring and maybe making like a little mark where you would want to cut them. That's all. So again, these I'm just gonna kind of make them pretty. Also, after I wash these, they're gonna have all of like the kind of like the undone edges like this, which I love. So we're gonna go ahead and measure here. And then I use these scissors. I would suggest fabric scissors for sure because they cut the best. So we're just gonna go ahead and measure here and cut. So there you go. So this is the shorts that I just cut. Like I said, because they are a little bit big, I am gonna add them with a belt. Ta-da, perfect. And then, like I said, as you wash them, the edges will become even better and more frill. So kind of even if you do like this motion, they'll kind of start to do that. So see, they're already starting to kind of come apart. So again, I would probably pair these with cute sneakers or even boots, a cute little crop or t-shirt. So many ways that you can wear these. Super cute, I love them, and they are Levi's. The next set of bottoms that I got are these, which they're also so cute, but I do have a pair of jeans already this similar color. So these I'm also gonna, this is the bottom by the way, I am also going to turn into shorts, and I will probably use the previous jeans that I used as a guide as to how long I want these. Okay, so again, you need your scissors. Again, you fold your jeans in the middle. You're gonna wanna put the seam together here. Make sure they're nice and straight. I'm going to use the other jeans as a guide because I really love the length that I cut on these. So I want a similar little mid-length as well. So again, we're gonna make sure the seams are the same like this. And we're gonna go ahead and cut. Again, if you wanted to, you can always cut a little bit longer. Just because you can always go shorter, but you can't go longer. Ta-da. So here are the shorts we just cut. I really like them. I just love this color. Super cute. Again, you can pair with a belt. You can pair this with sneakers. You can pair them with cute sandals. Change up the top. This top is actually from Boohoo. It is not thrifted. So here's this outfit. Okay, so these are obviously male shorts. And I love them because of the pockets and how unique they are. And I just see myself making them into cuter shorts. And I love that they are loose on the thighs because that doesn't happen a lot with me. So I'm gonna turn these into even shorter shorts for me. So again, we're gonna cut these. And again, if you have a guide, if you have jeans, previous jeans, you can use them again to use them as your guide. Just remember to line up this part. See, so we are going to, so also these have the big pocket in the front, so I don't think I'm gonna hit it, so we'll be good. These are the shorts we just cut. I think they're so cute. I paired them with sneakers. And I changed the top for them just so you guys can see. So something about fashion and for me personally with my body, if I'm wearing something big below, I like to wear tighter things up top just so I don't look too bulky and big because I do have thicker thighs, like I said. So I put it with a cute little top. This top is from Forever 21. And these are thrifted and they were like $3, I think. These are other really cute lavender pants that I found that I fell in love with. I normally don't wear too many colors, but I love this color. I feel like it's so unique, so spring and summer. And there's so many ways that you can wear them. Again, you can wear these with sneakers. I could see myself wearing them with maybe boots and a cute top like this one. Maybe I'd put it down, or with a belt, or even maybe some high heels like this. Maybe a little bit more dressy. I could see this more dressy. Or you can even make it casual if you want to, like I said, putting it with sneakers, whatever mood you're in. Super cute. So these are also Levi's and they're actually a little stretchy, so I really love them. I love any jeans that are stretchy. I actually really like the fit of these as jeans, so I think I'm also going to keep these as jeans. And then I can always cut them later if I wanted more shorts, but since the other color was so similar, I think I'm gonna keep these as is. And then it's kind of like a straight leg bottom, so that's kind of in right now, so. So these are other pants that I also thrifted. These were a little more expensive. I think these were like $6 or $7. But I think I'm gonna leave them as jeans. So this is the bottom. Because I don't have any bottoms this color. So they're actually Hollister jeans. Super cute. I love them. So many looks I can already think of wearing these. I actually also thrifted this top. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like the eyelet fabric. So the jeans I'm gonna leave, but the top I think I'm gonna try and transform. Although it is really cute, I feel like you can wear it off the shoulder here or keep it up. But I think I'm gonna transform it and see what I can do because I do love these arms. So, Okay, so first I think I'm gonna start off by making it a crop because it was not cropped at all. So again, you're gonna line up your seams, fold it in half. I like to fold things in half to cut them just because that way you know that both sides are even. So I think I'm probably gonna cut like that much. So first you wanna see where your center is. So again, we're gonna fold. Line up the seams. So this is our center. So I'm thinking that I will probably obviously start from up here and kind of come down. Again, you always want to do less just because you can always cut more, but you can't cut, like you can't add on any length. So let's see, I'm gonna cut here. Okay, so again, I love how this looks, but if you want to do somewhat of another look, you can always wear it kind of off the shoulder type of thing, or with this little piece that we cut, the little triangle in the middle. So I'm actually gonna tie it to my little bralette that I have here. And so this is my final item that I also thrifted. Cute little jean top, super vintage looking. It actually even has shoulder pads. So this is what it looks like, which I kind of like it like this. Fix the shoulder pads. So I kind of like it open like this, but I truthfully don't think I'll wear it too much. So I'm gonna turn it into a little crop. So let's see. So here is the top. I changed the bottoms because I feel like these match a little more. Just because you have like the white pearls up here. So I would probably wear this outfit with sneakers or some boots. I actually really like it. It's cute. Again, you can also even wear it open, like I said. So like a little top. I hope you guys enjoyed.